I cried for you last night.
For me?
Yes. I cried because you won't, even though you're dying.
No one needs to cry over that.
I did. I needed to.
I'm still alive.
Yes. But
Everyone keeps acting like I'm already dead. Crying for the loss of me even though I'm right here.
I made coffee. If you want, hazelnut.
Milk?
Makes my stomach hurt. No, thank you.
The cat kept scratching at my door last night. I wanted to let her in, but I was so tired. And the floor is so cold against my bare feet. And it didn't really feel like seeing another living being. Sometimes I look at her and I'm like, your life is probably already halfway over. And then I think, well, mine could be too. I could die tomorrow. Or right now. The cat makes me feel very mortal. And sometimes that's just too much for me. She's sleeping near me now. She's snoring a little. I'm glad she's here.
I can't actually talk to you, so I'm writing this stupid fucking play or whatever.
You could talk to me.
You only want me to think that.
You're right.
You only want me to think that too.
You're right.
That's impossible for the both of those to be true.
You?
Don't say I'm right.
Okay.
Or, I don't know. I don't care what you do.
It seems like you do.
No, it's just everyone's so boring and closed off. And I don't like you very much, but at least you aren't boring.
I guess that's fair. I don't like you very much either, I guess.
I don't either.
Do you want me to pity you?
No, that's just the truth.
You're not obligated to say something just because it's true.
No. Hey, look at me. Hey, look at me. Come on. Hey. Hey, come on. Hey.
You were in my dream last night.
Really?
Yes?
I want to hear about it.
I can't tell you.
Why?
Just can't.
Was it a sex dream?
No!
Then tell me.
It wasn't a sex dream.
Prove it. Tell me.
I can't because then it might not come true.
What?
I can't because then it might not come true.
I thought that was wishes.
Nope. Dreams too.
Just tell me.
Can't. Sorry. Dream rules. It wasn't a sex dream though.
I feel like there's slime oozing out of my brain. The insides of my ears hurt, and everything smells like gasoline. I feel like if I close my eyes, I'll fall asleep right away. But I'm scared to do that because I'm scared if I do, then I won't wake up. Not that I'll die or anything. I just have things I need to do in the morning. I don't want to sleep through my alarm. My feet hurt, and I keep getting little calluses on my fingers, and I don't know why. I need to feed the cat. I need to sleep. I need to sleep.
Do you want to come in?
No.
You're shivering.
Mm-hmm.
Your teeth are chattering.
Yes.
Do you want to come in?
No.
Please?
It's so pretty out here.
You're going to freeze.
Look. Snow. So quiet, so peaceful. I am frozen. In the best way.
Please come in.
I think if I did that, I'd burst into flames.
People would probably like you more if you didn't say everything that's true.
I never said I wanted to be liked.
Everyone wants to be liked.
I guess.
Why are we here again?
I guess I just wanted someone to talk to.
Oh, right. Well, so talk.
It doesn't seem like you want me to.
You're only imagining it that way.
Well, it's true.
What did we say about the truth?
I don't agree with you.
Did you bring me here just to argue?
No, I wanted to talk.
Well, you should have picked someone else.
Who?
I don't know. I don't know who you know.
You do. I think. Mostly.
I guess.
I wanted to write a real play, but my brain has completely, totally liquefied, and I feel like my diaphragm is full of hot sand, Coney Island sand, dirty sand, and all the skin on my feet is going to fall off. When I was a kid, I used to pick at the skin on my lips until they bled. I don't do that anymore, except when I'm home. Not home, at my parents' house, home, or when I'm really anxious. They always heal, and that's kind of nice to know that you can destroy something over and over and it'll always heal. I worry one day that they won't. My lips will rebel against me and stay scabbed and gross and bloody forever, and no one will want to kiss me, so I guess I should stop doing that. But it's an anxiety thing, you know? But so is worrying that they won't heal. Of course they'll heal. Time heals all wounds, or whatever. That isn't really true, though. I still have a scar between my toes from when I was 7. My mom said it would go away, but it never did, and I don't think it ever will. And I still have a grudge against a girl who was mean to me in preschool. So, maybe I'm just fragile. I used to cry every day. 2 summers ago. I wasn't even particularly depressed, but I would cry every day. I don't know why. I just had a lot of feelings. I still cry a lot. Not every day, but a lot of days. It's nice. I don't cry in front of people anymore because my ex-boyfriend believed it was a sign of weakness, and so now I kind of do too, even though I think he's wrong about literally everything. I'm worried that if I went on testosterone, that I wouldn't be able to cry as much. That happens to some people. I want my voice to be deeper and to look more androgynous, but I don't want to grow facial hair, and I don't want to not cry anymore. And with hormone replacement therapy, it's really just impossible to know which effects you'll experience when. So anyway.
I'm getting really,
What?
really concerned.
Oh, about what?
I have this, mark, like, I don't know if it's a bug bite or what. It keeps getting bigger.
Can I see?
Oh,
I'm not gonna, be mean about it.
okay, fine. Here.
It looks like a hickey.
It's not a hickey.
Okay, but it looks like one.
Well, it's not.
I didn't think it was. You don't have to be all weird and defensive about it.
Well, what do you think it is?
Could be an allergic reaction.
What?
I want the warmth that comes with romantic love. That feels a little like the first sip of a really good cup of coffee on a cold fall morning, but more. You feel it in your whole body, in your fingers and toes. That kind of warmth. I am fulfilled when the sun is out. I have friends and family and art. And even when I'm alone, I'm not lonely. But at night or when it rains, I feel empty. I feel like a big, big piece of the puzzle is missing. I wonder if that's a character flaw? Or if some people just are that way. I wonder if we're meant to be that way. I wonder if anything is meant to be.
That's kind of gay. Have you tried masturbating? Well, have you?
Yes.
That's too much information.
You asked!
I don't remember doing that. Do you use toys or your hands?
Stop.
I think I'm losing focus.
You think?
I'm losing focus.
Have you tried meditating? I meditate now.
I used to want things, and now I just don't.
Not wanting anything sounds very peaceful.
I want something, but I don't know what it is.
They say you're not supposed to know until you're 27.
I'm 28.
You are not.
I am.
No!
Yes.
Really?
Yes.
Jesus, when did you get so old? Oh, but who's counting?
I guess.
Have you tried seeing a psychic?
I'll have a tall iced latte.
No, actually, you won't.
I was just kidding. Isn't it fucked up how when you use hand sanitizer, you're basically rubbing corpse germs into your skin? It's weird that when some things die, they become less scary, but when other things die, they become, like, way scarier. Can I have your phone number?
I don't know, can you?
Wait, but... Yeah, no, that was right.
I should go wash off.
It's hand sanitizer.
Corpse germs.
There's no water. It smells.
Rude.
So my mom still has all of our dead cats' ashes in her closet at the new house. In little boxes and little velvet bags. Some cats from a long time ago and some cats from when I was growing up. Like, she still has Sam's ashes, and Sam died before I was even born. So now, whenever I meet someone named Sam, all I can think about is the dead cat in my mom's closet. Sometimes I tell the Sams I meet that, and usually they don't really appreciate it. I guess I get it. I guess I shouldn't have said dead cat. Sorry. It's not like mummified cats in my mom's closet. It's just their ashes. No organic material. I don't know why she has to hold on to them. I don't know what she plans to do with them. How long are you supposed to hold on to them? I keep telling her she has to do something with them, that I won't be left with a bunch of cat ashes of cats I never even met when she dies. But I guess that's kind of the funny thing about
I miss who we used to be, you know?
I know. You used to only think that happened to old people.
I feel old sometimes. I feel like my life is basically over when I turn 20.
You won't even be able to legally drink yet.
Yeah. I'm kind of over that anyway.
Oh, that is... Is that good?
It's whatever. I'm writing this on the train right now, sitting across from a guy who reminds me of you.
Oh,
Or who you used to be. I want to talk to him, but that would be regressive.
you could talk to him.
He's probably annoying.
Thanks.
Well, and I'm not who I used to be anyway, so, you know, it wouldn't really be the same.
Sure.
I've never understood how people strike up conversations with strangers. It happens to me sometimes, but I never initiate it. Except like at parties, but that's, you know, that's like pretty much always accepted then. But people who can just start talking to someone on the train, I don't get it. I'm worried about seeming creepy.
I don't think you'd come across as creepy.
He's getting off at the next stop, I think. We aren't going to talk, which I knew, but I'm still kind of disappointed.
Did you? Oh.
Oh.
Yikes.
Sorry.
I'm fucking stressed.
You're fucking stressed. I'm fucking stressed.
You're fucking stressed. I'm fucking stressed.
Okay, well, it's not a competition.
Mm-hmm.
There's like
Mm-hmm.
a huge fucking bug on your shoulder.
Oh. Yeah. I put it there.
Why?
For fun.
Oh, it looks good on you.
Thanks.
You're welcome.
Wait.
What?
I don't remember putting that bug there.
Oh, shit.
Right?
Oh, yeah. Hey, do you
What was that?
know my middle name?
Yes.
What is it? Unbelievable.
A body is a body is a body. Cells, molecules, atoms. A body is a body is a body. My body isn't so different from your body or that body. It just has a different name. Parts of it have a different name, and a name is only a name. I bet you have parts of your body that you've never even heard of. That you don't even know are there. And what makes these ones so special and those ones not? It's still just your body, his body, her body, their body is a body of cells, molecules, atoms that can come out looking any which way, but it's still just cells and molecules and atoms. And those cells and molecules and atoms do not belong to your body in the end. Not forever. Not forever. A body is a body. Is a body, and a body is not forever.
Not everybody has a body, and I think that's pretty funny.
Hey. Why didn't the skeleton go to the prom?
Why?
Because he didn't have anybody to dance with.
That's so sad.
I know!
You're gonna make me cry.
Oh no. The ocean?
It's full of big fish I've never met who want to eat me, no thanks.
Okay, the mountains?
Cold and unforgiving. Sharp, lonely, too pointy.
The city?
Too loud, too crowded, no breathing room, no time to think.
The country?
That's where people get murdered.
The suburbs?
The desert.
All dried up. Nothing lives out there except poisonous snakes.
Venomous.
Whatever.
Home.
Not applicable.
Oh, sorry.
It's alright.
Here?
It's okay.
Do I have my keys? Yes. Do I have my wallet? Yes. Do I have my phone? Yes. Do I have my water bottle? I lost my water bottle. Wait, do I have my keys? Yes. Wait, but do I? Yes. Did I turn the stove off? I didn't use the stuff this morning, did I? Did I remember to feed the cat? Did I see the cat? Did I see the cat this morning? No. Did the cat see me? I don't know. Did he? He could have seen me and I wouldn't know. I didn't feed him. I didn't see him. I don't know where he is. I hope he's okay. Did I use the stuff this morning? Did I feed the cat? Did I feed myself? I didn't feed the cat. Did I? I don't know. Wait, do I have my... Wait. Do I... Did I feed the cat? Do I have my keys? Wait.
Can you put a shirt on?
I'm sure I could.
Will you put a shirt on?
I'm sure I will. Eventually. Probably.
Fuck you.
Fuck you.
No, thank you.
I'd really like to kiss you.
Well, you can't.
I know that.
So too bad.
I just thought I should tell you anyway.
Why?
I thought it'd be nice.
Put a shirt on!
I'll think about it.
Please?
Fine. Okay. Now what?
I cried for you last night. A second time.
For me?
Yes. I cried because I can't stop thinking about your death.
My death.
Yes. I don't want to outlive you.
You think you will?
I'm afraid I'll outlive everyone I love.
I'm going to live forever.
Really?
Probably not. I just thought that that might make you feel better.
You could live forever.
You think?
I believe in you.
If I die first, I promise to haunt you.
You already do.
What? I'm not dead yet. You know,